food safety. In that, next point is adulteration. See, first question, what is mean by adulteration? Adulteration means milawat. Adding adulterants which are of low quality, cheap, and sometimes harmful substances to foodstuff in order to increase the profit is called as the adulteration in food. Means for increasing profit, uh, shopkeepers added some cheap materials in food. That is called as food adulteration. Now see here, one chart is given. Foodstuffs and adulterant. In milk, which substances they added? Water or urea. In red chili powder, brick dust, means brick which use for construction. That bricks dust is used in red chili powder because the big dust is brick dust is also red in color. See, seeds of papaya is used in peppercorns, and in ice cream, uh, for adulteration they use papaya pulp. The health of all people, young and old, poor or rich, is in danger by food adulteration. Means food adulteration is dangerous for all the peoples. If that people is young, old, poor or rich. Different type of adulteration affects our health in different ways. Some adulterants use abdominal discomfort or poisoning, means stomach pain or poisoning, while some may affect the functioning of some organs of consume over a long period of time or even causes cancer. Food is adulterated in this way too. Removal of some important components of food, means those components are important, remove that important components. Example, removal of fats, contents of milk, means fat is important in milk, removal that fats. Essence of cloves, cardamoms, etc. Mixing of low quality mixing of low quality inerbo or cheaper material or a harmful colors with food. Mixing of some harmful materials like small stones, fine sand, iron fillings, means dust of iron, urea, dungs of horse, sawdust, etc. Means these uh, stones, fine sand, these are used as a adulteration. See here, chart is given. How will you find out if the food has been adulterated? First, milk. Adulterant is water. Taste. Put a drop of milk on a glass. Slide and slightly incline it to spread the drop. Conclusion. If the spread mark of milk does not appear milky white, water must have been added to it. Second, red chili powder, brick dust. Take a spoonful of chili powder in a beaker. Add water up to half of the beaker. Stir it and leave it undisturbed for a few minutes. If a red layer is seen settle at the bottom of the beaker, must have been adulterated with brick dust. Means that if brick dust is added in red chili powder, that dust will settle down at the bottom of the beaker. Next, turmeric powder, melent yellow. Take a pinch of turmeric powder in a test tube. Add a small quantity of water to it. Shake the mixture and add a few drops of concentrated HCl. A mixture becomes red on addition of concentrated HCl and the red color does not disappear. It mainly yellow is present. See, this is not possible to do at home. Next, rava, fine iron fillings. Pass a magnet through the rava and fillings ahead to the magnet. If in rava magnet fillings are added, if we pass a iron, iron will attract, means iron fillings will attract to iron. Always remember, some chemicals are injected into fruits to make them more attractive and tasty. Means for increase the taste of foods, some chemicals are added. Milk vendor add urea to the milk so that it appears to have higher fat contents. Means milk vendor added urea for more fats. Shopkeeper changed the expiry date of the food packets and airtight containers to avoid a financial loss. Means shopkeeper is selling the expiry products also. Why? To avoid their financial loss. Next, calcium carbide and some other chemicals are used to make fruit look more attractive. Example, bright yellow banana. Means calcium carbide is added for the color or the attractive foods. Last, frequently harmful chemicals like carbonated soda, phosphoric acid, etc. are mixed with the cold drinks. Means in cold drinks, some chemicals are added.